Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a ghost trail effect in CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and if we want to create the ghost trail effect, we need to go to the effect menu, go to the effect, and then you're going to select the video effect, and you can simply search for trail effect. Okay, and there will be some result for you, and I recommend you to choose the light trails to create the ghost trail effect. Okay, and then you can adjust the effect before you apply it to your video. Tap on adjust, and here you can adjust the intensity, the blur, and the speed as well. And I'm just going to decrease the intensity, and then I'm going to increase the speed just a little bit. Okay, once you're done, you can click on the check mark and you can make this effect align with your video like this, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create a ghost trail effect in CapCut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!